Foundation in Financial and Office Administration. Introduction to the module. In any organization, the foundation of smooth operations often rests in robust financial knowledge and effective office administration. Understanding key financial principles and mastering office management isn't just about keeping records. It's about optimizing resources, supporting business growth, and ensuring that every piece of the corporate puzzle aligns for success. This foundational knowledge empowers professionals to drive efficiency, maintain accountability, and build frameworks that support larger organizational goals. This module covers the essentials of financial and office administration, including fundamental roles and responsibilities, key financial concepts, and core office management skills. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to identify primary roles and structures within business functions, learn about essential financial terms and statements for informed decision-making, organize office layouts, and manage resources effectively, develop efficient file and record-keeping systems. Role of financial and office administrators. In financial and office administration, understanding one's role extends beyond a simple job description. It involves recognizing one's position within the intricate network of business operations and understanding how these responsibilities build the foundation for efficiency and growth. Responsibilities of administrative professionals. Organizing and managing financial information. Administrators help compile and manage financial data, crucial for informed decision-making and compliance with company policies. Supporting decision-making processes. By providing accurate and timely information, they support strategic decisions that align with the company's vision. Ensuring compliance. Administrators ensure that all financial and procedural activities adhere to established company policies, promoting transparency and trust. Role as a link between departments. Facilitating communication. Acting as a bridge between departments, they enable smooth communication and information flow, ensuring everyone stays aligned with strategic goals. Maintaining order and accuracy. By keeping financial records precise and administrative procedures in check, administrators support the optimal functioning of other departments. Overall, the role of administrative professionals is more than just supportive. It is foundational, playing a pivotal part in enhancing the company's efficiency and fostering growth. Their comprehensive involvement helps drive seamless functionality while supporting strategic objectives that bolster the organization's long-term goals. Business structures and functions. Understanding business structures, whether it's a startup, a mid-sized company, or a corporate giant, empowers administrators to anticipate needs and proactively manage resources. Each type of organization has unique demands, from functional hierarchies to flat structures, and each function within these structures serves a crucial role. A solid grasp of these structures allows administrators to tailor their approach, aligning tasks with business objectives and adapting to the company's culture. Some of the common structures are: functional structure enables specialization, but requires administrators to coordinate cross-departmentally. Matrix structure balances multiple reporting lines, making adaptability and clear communication essential. Flat structure emphasizes flexibility and self-management, demanding administrators to be proactive and resourceful. Basic financial principles. A strong grasp of financial principles empowers administrators to support sustainable growth and maintain the financial health of an organization. Without understanding financial terminology and the function of core financial documents, administrators may struggle to make informed decisions or communicate effectively with stakeholders. By familiarizing themselves with financial terms and key documents, they can bridge the gap between day-to-day operations and larger financial goals. Key financial terms and concepts. To navigate financial management successfully, administrators must understand essential terms that shape business decisions. For instance, revenue and expenses. Recognizing these as the inflows and outflows of money in an organization enables accurate business performance tracking. Profit and loss. Understanding the difference between income and expenditure over a period is crucial for evaluating the organization's financial health. Cash flow. Knowing how cash moves in and out of the business helps anticipate financial shortages or surpluses, essential for daily operational decisions. Assets and liabilities. Distinguishing between what a company owns versus what it owes provides a clearer picture of its financial standing. Basics of financial statements. Financial statements are essential tools that provide a comprehensive view of an organization's financial health, guiding informed decision-making. They consist of 3 key components. The components will be discussed below, along with basic samples of financial statements that will help us visualize what they look like. Income statement, also known as the profit and loss statement. This document tracks revenues and expenses over a specific period, indicating whether the organization is generating a profit or incurring a loss. Balance sheet. This statement offers a snapshot of the organization's financial position at a specific point in time. It lists assets, liabilities, and equity, helping stakeholders understand what the business owns versus what it owes. Cash flow statement. This statement captures all cash transactions, detailing inflows and outflows to reveal the company's liquidity and its ability to meet short-term obligations. Together, these statements provide a comprehensive understanding of the financial status and performance of the organization. Office management essentials. Effective office management is like the hidden engine of any successful organization, quietly yet powerfully driving efficiency, productivity, and employee satisfaction. Imagine an environment where innovative scheduling eliminates wasted hours, smart technology integrates seamlessly with everyday tasks, and each department connects like cogs in a well-oiled machine. This strategic approach not only streamlines processes, but also sparks a culture of trust and agility. Managers aren't just gatekeepers. They're the catalysts for creative problem-solving, champions of clear communication, and the unsung heroes who turn challenges into opportunities for growth and team empowerment. Office layout and equipment. The office layout is not merely a question of aesthetics or furniture arrangement. It's about fostering a dynamic, collaborative environment where ideas flow freely and each team member feels energized. Imagine an office where departments are strategically positioned to encourage spontaneous brainstorming, where natural light and ergonomic designs make long hours comfortable, and where every piece of equipment, from printers to projectors, has a thoughtfully assigned place that reduces wasted time and motion. In this way, the office layout becomes a critical component in shaping the culture and rhythm of the workplace. File and records management. Management of records and files is often overlooked, but it is the silent guardian of an organization's intellectual property and operational continuity. An office with effective records management doesn't just store documents. It creates a living system where information is readily accessible, secure, and organized to empower decision-making. Picture a system where you can pull up essential documents in seconds, where digital files are meticulously organized and backed up, and where sensitive records are protected by robust security protocols. This level of management transforms records into assets, enabling seamless continuity and reducing risks associated with data loss. Key strategies include systematic categorization based on priority and frequency of use, regular audits and updates to maintain relevance and avoid clutter, digital integration for secure, fast, and environmentally friendly records access. Office supply management. Imagine a supply management system that practically runs itself, with predictive tools to monitor supply levels, reorder alerts, to avoid last-minute scrambles, and usage data that informs smarter purchasing decisions. This kind of proactive approach to supplies doesn't just save money. It fosters a sense of readiness and stability within the team. Key components include: use tracking systems to predict demand patterns and avoid excess inventory. Automated reordering of essential supplies to maintain smooth operations without stockpiling. Vendor partnerships that allow for flexible procurement options, consistent quality, and better pricing. Highlights from this module. Mastering financial principles and office management drives efficiency, accountability, and organizational growth. Administrators are vital in managing finances, supporting decisions, and ensuring compliance. Understanding revenue, expenses, cash flow, assets, and liabilities enables informed decisions. Income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements offer insights into financial health. Efficient office, records, and supply management enhance workplace productivity and readiness. Thank you. You have successfully made it to the end of this module.